Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the OVENTE GD1510NLB Electric Indoor Grill. We found this product online and have linked it in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The OVENTE Electric Indoor Grill is designed to bring the joy of grilling indoors with ease. It features a spacious 15x 10-inch nonstick plate, making it perfect for cooking multiple foods at once. This means you can whip up everything from juicy steaks to fresh salmon without the hassle of firing up an outdoor grill. One of the standout features of this grill is its powerful 1200W heating element. It heats up quickly, allowing you to start cooking in no time. Plus, with adjustable temperature settings ranging from 240 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve those perfect grill marks and cook your food just the way you like it. The circular heating element ensures even heat distribution, so you won't have any hot or cold spots on your grilling surface. If you're someone who loves the taste of barbecue but prefers to stay indoors, this grill is an excellent option. It minimizes smoke, allowing you to enjoy that outdoor grilling experience right from the comfort of your kitchen or living room. The OVENTE Indoor Grill is also equipped with a removable drip tray that collects excess fat and oil, making cleanup a breeze. And for added safety, the cool touch handles prevent burns, so you can grill without worry. Speaking of cleanup, one of the most convenient aspects of the OVENTE Electric Grill is that all its parts are dishwasher-safe. This means you can simply detach the grilling plate and drip tray and toss them in the dishwasher for a quick and efficient cleanup after your meal. No more scrubbing and soaking pots and pans. This grill is perfect for busy individuals, families, or anyone who loves to entertain. It's an ideal solution for apartment dwellers who may not have access to outdoor grilling facilities, yet still want to enjoy grilled meals. Whether you're hosting a small gathering or just cooking for yourself, this grill delivers versatility and convenience. In practical use, you can prepare a wide variety of dishes. Imagine grilling your favorite veggies, searing a steak for dinner, or even making delicious grilled sandwiches for a quick lunch. The possibilities are endless with this indoor grill. In summary, the OVENTE GD1510NLB Electric Indoor Grill combines convenience, efficiency, and safety features that make indoor grilling a delightful experience. Its large non-stick cooking surface, quick heat-up capability, and easy cleanup make it a must-have kitchen appliance. Thanks for watching. If this video